How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Here's how. First thing first, start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen to go to your profile page. Then click on the three horizontal dots icon at the right hand side. From the menu that appears, select Turn on Professional mode. Next, Facebook will show you a brief overview of the professional tool available. Now confirm your action by tapping Turn on. After that, you will be prompted to choose your default audience. This determines who can see your future post. Once selected, hit Next. Finally, click Next one more time to complete the setup. Finally, hit Go to Professional Dashboard at the bottom. Once your profile is changed to Digital Creator, you can access new tools like Post Insight, Follower Growth, and Creator Studio. And that's it. This is how to change Facebook profile to Digital Creator.